If you are interested in night shift job, here is a great opportunity in customer support that you can do from home. This is a remote opportunity. Okay, here you will be dealing with US based clients and the shift timing will be 6:30 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. IST. Here in this role, you will be getting, apart from your salary, the company will help you to set up your home office, and apart from your salary, you will be getting monthly work from home allowance so that you can cover up your home office expenses as well. Now let's discuss about the details. Okay, the company's name is Better, and the company is working into real estate sector. And here you will be working as customer success associate. The real estate team at Better is responsible for identifying ways to simplify the home buying journey by creating seamless real estate agent interaction and providing customer support for home discovery. The company is looking for entrepreneurs with strong operational capabilities, business acumen, and get stuff done mentality. If you have some experience in the field of customer support or customer service, you could be a good fit for this position. The company is looking for someone with a bachelor's degree in business, marketing, real estate, or a related field. And you should have 2 to 4 years of relevant experience in customer service, customer success, telemarketing, or account management roles. So if you have been dealing with US-based customers, you will be preferred definitely you because here the clients are US-based clients. Excellent communication and interpersonal skills is required. Strong, strong problem solving, strong problem solving abilities, attention to detail, and ability to multitask and prioritize tasks effectively. Proficiency in CRM software and Microsoft Office suite. Strong bias to action, practicality, and effectiveness. Here you will be working as a customer support or customer service person, helping your client finding a good deal in real estate. And so if you have some experience in the field of customer service, or you have been into telemarketing or account management kind of role, you could be a good fit for this position. Apart from this, excellent communication skill is required. Here are the roles and responsibilities that you can expect as customer success associate. So you will be building and maintaining strong relationships with customers, serving as their primary point of contact. And you will be understanding customers' needs and goals and providing them personalized solutions and recommendations. You will be collaborating with internal teams, providing accurate, valid, and complete information to clients using CRM system. And you will be providing exemplary customer service to your clients by showing empathy and understanding their requirements. You will be responding efficiently and accurately to customers, explaining possible solutions and ensuring that clients feel supported and valued. So basically, this is a customer support kind of role where you will be understanding your clients' needs and helping them find effective solutions. Candidates who can converse fluently in American accent will be preferred, as this role primarily relies on your ability to strike a good conversation with their US-based clients. Prior experience in customer service roles focused on US-based customers will be an advantage. And as I already mentioned, that this is a night shift role where you will be working from 6:30 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. IST with a night shift allowance in addition to your fixed CTC. So here you will be having good chance to earn good money apart from your salary. It is a work from home position, and the company will help you set up your home office, and you will be getting a monthly work from home allowance as well. So this is a great opportunity for people who have excellent communication skill. If you have some sort of like US accent, or you can develop that, you could be a preferred candidate for this position. So go ahead and check out all the details. Here is the application form. This is the application form that you can fill up and provide all the details. And you will be required to fill up that if you are comfortable for night shift job, because this is a night shift role as I mentioned, and this is a permanent work from home opportunity. So you can definitely choose night shift role. How soon you can join us, and then current compensation annually. So you can provide here your CTC and then additional information if you want to provide any. So go ahead and check out all the details, and if you believe that you could be a good fit for this position, apply for the job. Thank you for listening.